have a headache.
Let me calm your mind with soothing and pleasant images.
Okay.
You are floating. Floating in a warm vat of jelly.
What flavour?
Raspberry.
I don't like raspberry.
Okay then, it doesn't matter. You are floating in a warm vat of lime jelly. You are relaxed and calm.
Relaxed and calm.
Now, I want you to start visualizing. The rules of cricket melt before you like a toffee apple. You perceive the political subtext of green eggs and ham. You are noticing that John Lennon's nose is much closer to his left eye than his right. The popping noise of improperly compressed MP3 recordings ceases to annoy you. You have changed your name to Yergi and learned to play a cherry red 12-string Rickenbacker. You realize that Audrey Hepburn is God. When you awake, you will remember nothing except your PIN number and some important birthdays. Now thank the nice rodent.
I still have a headache.